You don't floss, do you? Well, the bad news is that your toothbrush doesn't actually reach half the surfaces in between your teeth. And with just one visit to the dentist every 6 months, your breakfast, lunch, and dinner stays in the gaps between your teeth until your next professional cleaning, unless you floss. The good news is, there's Toothshower. Toothshower is the world's first water flosser and toothbrush suite for the shower. Until now, conventional water flossers have been one of the only players in the game, but there's a huge problem there. Traditional water flossers are tedious, messy, and more often than not, end up stuffed under a cabinet somewhere. They need refilling, recharging, batteries, and leave a big mess behind. You deserve better. Toothshower is the ultimate oral hygiene experience. Now, you can water floss from inside your own shower with complete ease, fitting Toothshower perfectly into your morning routine. Imagine a world where you never have to fill a reservoir, never recharge batteries. Simply attach the device to your shower. No noisy motor waking up the household or messy sinks or mirrors to wipe up. Toothshower comes with 3 main accessories with an additional 4 accessories for specific oral care needs. The dual-headed toothbrush has a head dedicated to each side of your teeth. This attachment cleans your teeth thoroughly and makes sure to cover all areas in between them with water flossing. Next, there's the standard irrigating tip. It reaches where your toothbrush can't. So no mess or fuss with this one. It flushes food and bacteria from between your teeth with ease. And because it's in the shower, you'll never run out of water, and there's no need to sacrifice any precious counter space. The ultra-convenient and only available from Toothshower is the 7-stream gum massager. It's like driving your mouth through a car wash. It allows warm water to flush between your teeth and around braces, bridges, implants, and ortho bars fast. Great for teens and teens with braces. Our additional 4 accessories provide convenience and ease to give you an exceptional clean. Enjoy flossing with water. You can adjust water pressure and temperature on the fly, making the experience ultra customizable. Accessories are easy to swap out for single or multiple users and are color-coded. You get to share the Toothshower without having to share your germs. Water, food, and bacteria now go down the shower drain and not on your mirrors and countertops. Toothshower is easy to integrate into your routine, becoming as second nature as washing your hair or face. No recharging, refilling, no noise, no mess, no kidding. Toothshower. The future of oral hygiene is in the shower.